Dear brothers and sisters, you are watching Mission Viksit India, where every video presents an idea that could make India the global capital of science and innovation by the year 2047. Even today, many diseases are detected only when it's too late, and at that point, we wish we had a way to scan every part of the body in time. Now imagine a future where you don't even need to go to a doctor. Every home has a health pod that can scan your body and automatically treat illnesses before they even show symptoms. Our channel Mission Viksit India is committed to sharing innovative ideas to help transform India into a fully developed nation by 2047. And in today's video we'll explore the concept of bio-AI body maintenance pods. We request you to stay with us till the end of the video and share your thoughts in the comments. Brothers and sisters, just imagine a technology where you don't need needles for blood tests and you can forget about those huge MRI machines. All you have to do is lie down in the body pod for a few minutes and, well, your body's full repair process actually begins. This vision of the future is, honestly, no longer just science fiction. We're talking about bio-AI body maintenance pods, a futuristic healthcare system that, merges four advanced technologies. First, 7-dimensional imaging technology, next biosensors and neural mapping, then AI-based medical detection systems, and finally, nanobots and biorepair units. So here's how each component works. First up, we have the 7-dimensional imaging technology. It scans the body from 6 external directions plus 1 internal depth. Next, there's neural data mapping, which, monitors brain and nervous system activities in real time. Then we have the AI medical detection system. It's able to detect diseases even before symptoms appear, and honestly, it prescribes precise treatment. Finally, we have nanobots and biorepair units. These tiny guys enter the body and repair damaged cells at the molecular level. So, what is 7-dimensional imaging, and how does it actually work inside the pod? 7-dimensional imaging is a step beyond traditional MRI. It captures the entire body, every surface, every depth, all at once. It doesn't just visualize bones and organs, it analyzes the genome-level structure of each cell. Even the subconscious mind, the so-called universal lobe of the brain, can now be studied, offering insight into, human frustration, guilt, anxiety, anger, joy, and grief. Such emotional mapping may help identify the psychological roots of diseases with precision. But is 7D imaging real? 7D imaging is not a standard scientific term, but it's a creative and visionary way to conceptualize deep scanning from all directions, including the inner structure. Think of it like this. A cube has 6 surfaces, and when we include scanning its internal structure, that makes 7 directions or 7 dimensions. This model is especially useful when studying the brain, quantum states, or complex neural systems. It can also be described as advanced 3D plus time plus context visualization, meaning viewing something in 3D along with its behavior over time and environment. Now let's touch on some real scientific theories. According to string theory and M theory in physics, our universe may have up to 11 dimensions. According to string theory and M theory in physics, our universe may have up to 11 dimensions. For example, 4D includes 3 spatial dimensions, length, width, and height, plus time as the 4th dimension. These theories suggest that subatomic particles are actually vibrating strings, and each direction of their vibration adds a new dimension. So, while 7D isn't really a conventional scientific term, it's actually a pretty useful imaginative model to help us understand deep systems like the brain, or even the cosmos. This idea might still be hypothetical for now, but, the invention of such a technology could truly revolutionize our world. How would society benefit from this invention? Well, for starters, diseases could be detected even before any symptoms appear. Treatment would become, cheaper, automated, and also more timely. Elderly people could actually receive medical care right from home. Hospitals would be less crowded, and honestly, even villages would get access to high-tech healthcare. Brothers and sisters, if India takes the lead in this technology, we could, really emerge as a global healthcare leader. This dream can come true if our youth, innovators, engineers, and doctors all come together for research and development in this field. So would you like to work on this idea? Would you like to help build a futuristic health pod that could honestly transform healthcare forever? Mission Viksit. India urges school and college students, medical researchers, and scientists to consider this visionary concept, and if possible, take it to the table of innovation and research. Please, share your views in the comments and spread this video to your friends and scientific communities. Do you want to be part of this idea? Can you be a future creator of 7D health pods in India? If India starts research in this direction, we can, really redefine healthcare not just for our own people, but honestly for the entire world. Health pods in every village, equipped with 7D imaging for instant diagnosis and automatic treatment. That is the healthcare vision of Viksit India, i.e., fully developed India, by or before 2047. If you like this video, I request you to, like it, share it, and subscribe to our channel, Mission Viksit India. And don't forget to hit the bell icon. Thank you very much, Jai.